Good morning, students. I am Arvinder Singh Man, PGT Commerce, Vidya Ashram Public School. Now, today we will take on the chapter number 2, Indian Economy, 1950 to 1990. Now, today we will continue the same topic, the Green Revolution. We have discussed about the Green Revolution in the technical reforms. Today we will see what are the achievements, merits of the Green Revolution. The first merit was commercialization of agriculture. Now the Green Revolution helped to commercialize the agriculture in this country. We made the result of the Green Revolution was marketable surplus, which refers to the part of the agriculture surplus was sold in the market by the farmers and fulfilling their own consumptions required. और अपनी ज़रूरत का जो गेहूँ है, चावल है या जो अनाज है वो रख लेते थे, बाकी जो सरप्लस था वो उसको मार्केट में बेच देते थे. इंक्रीज इन प्रोडक्शन एंड प्रोडक्टिविटी. व्हाट हैपेंड ड्यू टू द ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन? द ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन हेल्प टू इंक्रीज द multiple food production in this country. So we come up from the food shortage and become the self-sufficient country in the food grains by the help of using HYV seeds and the fertilizers, irrigation facilities. Increase in employment. What happened with the Green Revolution? We helped to generate the new employment facilities in this country. The effective use of labor. हमने मजदूरों को ज़्यादा इफेक्टिवली यूज़ किया, लोगों को रोज़गार दिया. Increase in income. Now what is increase in income? After Green Revolution, the production and the productivity has increased. We become the self-sufficient in the food grains, with the farmers able to increase their income in this country. Especially we saw the impact in Punjab, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh. Self-sufficient. Now due to the Green Revolution, using the modern technologies and implements and equipment, the India became the self-sufficient in the food grain. Industrial development as the result of Green Revolution. Now the Green Revolution helped the agro-based industries in the country, and many more other industries were set up by producing the chemicals, fertilizers, pesticides and machines. So altogether the Green Revolution helped in increasing the agricultural sector and also the manufacturing sector. Now shortcomings of the Green Revolution. Now increase in disparity between the small and big farmers. अब बड़े फार्मर्स जो थे उनको तो बहुत फ़ायदा हुआ, तो जो फार्मर्स का जो गैप था, जो बड़े फार्मर्स जो थे वो तो ज़्यादा अमीर हो गए, उनके पास पैसा भी ज़्यादा हो गया, वो they get the more benefits. They purchased fertilizers, implements and machineries